Welcome back to It Rule Over Feeling. I'm Steve, your friendly trader who dreamed of getting big funding, but failed at every challenge because his emotions completely got the better of him. If you're new here, sign up now and turn on notifications. We're all about the psychology of trading, helping you eliminate emotional decisions and building simple, rule-based systems that guarantee you'll get funding. Today, we'll tackle one of the most exciting and stressful trading goals, passing the brokerage firm's challenge and getting funding. You pay fees, trade on a demo account with strict rules, achieve your profit target without exceeding your withdrawal limits, and if you succeed, you get real capital from the firm. Sounds great, right? But most traders fail, not because of a lack of skill. It's because the pressure sends them into a state of emotional collapse. The fear of missing out, the greed for quick profits, the desire for revenge after a loss, and the fear of being stuck at the profit limit. In this comprehensive guide, Steve will explain in detail my painful and hilarious challenge failures, what trading firms really offer and why they're worth pursuing, the neuroscience behind how challenges feel like psychological warfare, Steve's 5 essential rules for mentally acing any assessment, common pitfalls and real-life examples, drama exercises, audience challenges, and exercises you can do right now. Ultimately, you'll have the psychological tools to go from failing the challenge again to funded trader. Why are you listening to me? Because I failed countless challenges, chasing targets out of greed, engaging in revenge trading after losses, panicking when my capital dwindled. But once I firmly established these rules, I finally succeeded and kept my capital. Now searches for how to pass the psychology test at trading firms and funded trader mindset are skyrocketing. So if you're here, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. If you feel the pressure of the challenge mounting, say out loud right now, control your emotions. Ready? Let's go. Imagine this scenario. Steve signs up for a big challenge account. The profit target seems achievable, and the loss limit is tight. At first, profits are piling up. He feels invincible. Then, a losing trade. A loss. Humiliation. I paid for this. I have to make up for it now. The dollar signs flash, and revenge mode kicks in. I increase my trading volume, ignore the rules, and chase the next candle. Suddenly, I've hit the loss limit. The challenge is over. Tears flood in, and I bang my head against the desk. Sound familiar? This isn't bad luck. It's the psychology of pressure. So, what are private trading companies? They are companies that give traders access to huge capital, tens or hundreds of thousands, after they pass an evaluation process. They trade with their money, keep most of the profits, often 70 to 90%, and risk only the challenge fee. The benefits are enormous. High-stakes trading without using your own savings, real returns, enforced discipline through strict rules, and a path to growth over time. But the truth is, most fail to appreciate not because of a bad strategy, but because of psychological pressures, stress, greed, fear, and overtrading. Neuroscience makes it worse. The dopamine chase. The goal of profit equals expecting a huge reward implies you overtrad to reach it quickly. Loss aversion. Every small loss feels like you're losing everything. Fear drives you to close winning trades early or avoid them altogether. Immense pressure. Time limits plus money on the line triggers the fight-or-flight response, making even good traders impulsive. The ego trap. I've invested in this challenge. I can't fail. Leads to the cycle of revenge begins. Your brain treats the challenge like a high-stakes game, the same addictive cycles as gambling. But it can be trained. Here are Steve's 5 rules for psychologically overcoming any trading challenge. Rule 1. Treat the challenge like a rigorous trading exercise. The rules of a challenge should be stricter than real trading. Create a plan. Maximum daily risk, 0.5 to 1%. No revenge trades, fixed session times. Sign it off, stick it on your screen. No plan equals a playground for emotions. Rule 2. Break down your goal into small, consistent gains. Forget 10% in a week. Aim for a maximum of 0.5 to 1% daily. Small gains trigger a steady dopamine release. No need to chase big moves or force yourself to trade. Greed fades when you see daily progress. Rule 3. A mandatory break after any loss or significant drop in capital. After a loser or close call, minimum 30 to 60-minute break. Close the platform, walk away, breathe. Shout, "Rule over feeling" 3 times before returning. This kills revenge trading instantly. Rule 4. View a loss order as protection. Overcome fear. Think of it as a safety net, not something else. Imagine a green shield surrounding your account. Only trade when you are calm and adhering to the rules. Your fear will lessen when you stop breaking the rules. Rule 5. Document every trade and review it weekly. Anticipate all of the following: setup, emotions, when you waited for the rules, and reasonable prices. Weekly, what triggered the pressure/greed/fear? Identify your various triggers. Experiment with your revenge triggers separately to see how they affect you. The companies I personally recommend are listed in the description below. Check them out to find the one that's right for you. Now it's your turn. The challenges. Write your game plan today. After your next loss, take a 30-minute break and soothe it. The 14-day no stress challenge. Only trade when you're fully committed and following the rules. Keep track how often you say control your emotions. Aim for 10 times a week. Look at Steve now. From risk-averse failures to a successful trader, the company's capital flows in while I relax on the beach. Now you have the science, the rules, and the inspiring stories. It's time to act. Complete them, get funded, and control your performance. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share your biggest challenges in the comments, stress, greed, revenge, and subscribe to the channel for more Steve videos on emotional success. Next video, Steve keeps his funded account. How to avoid losing it after his failure. To lose it, control your performance. Discipline your approach. Get funded. See you in the next video. Steve keeps her account organized. How to avoid losing it once she's surpassed it. To lose it, control your emotions. Administer with discipline. Secure funding. See you in the next video.